Assertion is isopropyl chloride is less reactive than methyl bromide in SN2 reactions. And reason given is SN2 reactions are always accompanied by inversion of configuration. So let us take the assertion first. What is isopropyl chloride? Isopropyl chloride is CH3C CH3 CHCl. This is isopropyl chloride and this is methyl bromide. See here, it is the chlorine is attached to a secondary carbon and here it is attached to the primary carbon. We know that primary carbon favors SN2 mechanism, but the isopropyl group, this alkyl halide, this isopropyl group, this alkyl group is bigger group. So what happens? Due to steric hindrance, this is less reactive. This isopropyl chloride is less reactive towards methyl bromide, that is the primary alkyl. So isopropyl chloride is less reactive is the correct statement. Why it is less reactive? This isopropyl is this alkyl group is bigger in size. So if you have a bigger group, there will be steric hindrance and the SN2 mechanism is not favored. And what is the reason given? Reason given is SN2 reactions are always accompanied by inversion of configuration. So what is SN2 reaction? Let us take this chloride and let OH minus be the attacking nucleophile. See what happens, an intermediate is formed. Here the attacking is OH. So this is the leaving group and this is the attacking group. What here intermediate is formed. So after the intermediate, what is the product? The leaving group will leave and the product is inversed. See, this is the leaving group. The leaving group will leave and this is the attacking group. See, this RCl is inverted as OHR. So there is inversion of configuration. If the RCl and ROH is in the same position, the leaving group and the attacking group in same, there is no inversion of configuration. But here it is a inversion of configuration. So SN2 reaction is formed only by the intermediate. This intermediate will be formed. So it is always accompanied by the inversion of configuration. So the reason is also given. Here assertion given is the correct statement and reason given is the correct statement, but reason is not the correct explanation. Why? Isopropyl chloride is less reactive because of the bigger alkyl group. And this is a different statement. SN2 is accompanied by inversion of configuration. So the option is B, where assertion, both the statements are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation for the assertion.